Facing the TCG Command has returned an error with event ID 10 inches issue? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix it and get your system back on track. In the search box next to the Start menu, type BitLocker, double-click on the Manage BitLocker application that is the topmost result. Now, click on Turn off BitLocker under the Operating System Drive section. Open the Run window by holding the keys Windows plus R, enter dvmgmt.msc, and hit OK. Locate disk drives from the list and double-click on the disk drives. In order to expand the selection, right-click on your drive and choose Update Driver. In the Update Drivers window, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Now, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select the required disk, and click on the Next button. The system will now install the drivers and notify you when it is done. Restart your computer. Open the Run window by holding the keys Windows plus R, enter dvmgmt.msc, and hit OK. In the Device Manager window, scroll down and locate Network Adapters, and then double-click on it. Locate your wireless adapter and right-click on it. Choose Disable Device. Open the Run terminal with the keys Windows plus R, type the below command, and hit Enter. msdttxe, ID Device Diagnostic. In the Hardened Devices window that opens, click on Next. The Troubleshooter will start detecting the problems and will notify you of the fixes. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the process. Open the Run dialog and type mssettings.windowsupdate and hit Enter. Click on Check for Updates. Windows will now check for any new updates. If any new updates are found, those will be downloaded and installed. Click on the Restart Now button for the changes to take over. Check if your problem is resolved or not once the system restarts. Make sure all the updates are installed. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.